Handle on this is stuck. Look, it will not spin. So when I reel it up, like you typically would, it's stuck. Look. And if you want it to turn, all I'm doing now is unscrewing it. So I screw it back in. It is super hard to turn, and it's just pivoting in here. You see it spinning around the piece that's supposed to be turning. I turn it this way, it's unscrewing. It's like the ball bearings are broke. So look, it's unscrewed. It's spinning around the centerpiece. The cork is, that piece should be turning. Because as I'm reeling, I would be going this way. It should be. Open the bail, put some string out, close the bail, and reel it up. Reel it up, kind of hard doing this with one hand. Reel it up, you see that thing? It will not pivot. Reel it up, look, it's not pivoting. I can turn it, but I'm manually turning it around the pivot point. It's now when I do it like that, unscrewing it. I'm unscrewing it. This whole thing will not spin. Stuck right there. Will not spin.